Hi. Hello. What's up, guys? I'm Jennifer Altman, for those who don't know me. I'm here to help anyone with weight problems. I had the issue myself. I'll throw a picture up right now what I used to look like. Isn't she a doll? I've learned so many things. I'm still learning till this day. Healthy recipes, workouts, mainly for fat loss, and booty gains, and shoulder gains. Mostly booty gains. I will just post these videos of meal prepping, workouts, so that way you get to know what I actually do. We'll also laugh. So that's the best part, is just having a good best friend who's also your personal trainer. What more can you ask for? Today I will be meal prepping. By the way, for those who have known, I've been vegan, vegetarian over the past like 5 years. That had mostly to do with my eating disorder / binge eating. Now I feel like I'm at a point, I am very strong. # bring old school Jenny back. So now I feel so better about myself. I am, drumroll please, Bento. I am not vegan anymore. So sorry for my vegan friend. I love you, but it is just not working. I was basically restricting the past few years of just so many food groups. In the back of my mind, it was control your eating. And that did help me with eating vegetables and fruits and beans. It helped me limit a lot of foods, which did help me recover. So now I'm at that point and I'm excited because a lot of my clients, they eat chicken. I've been eating eggs and whey protein bento, is that right? Yeah, I've been eating that stuff, but so far so good. I have more energy. I've been lifting way heavier. # bring old school Jenny back. I don't know. I just feel good about it. I'm excited because now I can make more recipes. Now I can make more recipe videos for my clients who eat meat, especially because I meal prep for Shamey too, because his girl hooks him up. You're welcome. Today I will be making meal preps. So yeah, let's get started. I actually might have to wait a while because this is my last battery and it's at like 10%. And Shamey, my boyfriend, has all the other batteries in his car and he's not here. So I'll work with what I got, but hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified for all of my videos to come. Let's get started with the meal preps. Oh, there he is. The goodest boy. The goodest boy. Here right now. Are you ready to meal prep? Ready to meal prep, Bento? Are you ready to meal prep? Let's meal prep. Yum, 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 yum. Back at it again with a new battery. Let's start meal prepping, guys. Okay, what I have here, pretty easy. I'm just gonna be using egg whites as my protein, sweet potatoes, and broccoli. Okay, y'all ready? Let's get started. Okay, first I got a pan, filled it with water. I'm heating it up so that way it will start boiling. And then I'm going to cut these sweet potatoes into little cube size and boil them. So let's get on that. Okay, what I do, I make them into circular form and then I cut it in half. Oh my gosh. Jenny, be careful with that knife. Ah! 5-second rule. So what they look like, these little guys. Okay, so once I cut them, I will just place into the water. So once I cut all the sweet potatoes, I let that boil. I think it takes around 15-20 minutes. I wait till they get soft. So that's what I'm guessing that's when they're ready. So we can wait for that. In the meantime, we are going to cook up some broccoli. So let's turn on the oven and I'm going to grab some coconut oil. Look at that. So we'll let that simmer. Okay, now I'm gonna season them. See, I have so many and I need to organize. Okay, I'm gonna use pink Himalayan salt, pepper, and I like the seasoned pepper. I don't know why. The season, no. I take that back. I just bought. Where is it? And I'm gonna use garlic pepper. So good. Usually after I add crushed red pepper, because your girl likes it spicy. That's actually garlic powder, but we had a big tub of it. Where is it? We had this, but we ran out of the garlic salt. Shamey still thinks this is garlic salt. Oh, your girl's so funny. Just kidding. Shamey, this is garlic powder, not salt. I should, wait. Speaking of that, hold on. What? And shake it. So now that we all know, okay, garlic powder, I like using that too. So adding to our seasonings. So we'll add the salt. So that's what the broccoli looks like. I'm actually going to cook the egg whites in this pan because your girl lazy. Hi, do you want broccoli? Oh, he likes the broccoli. Do you want an ice cube? I'll get you an ice cube. Are you embarrassed? Are you embarrassed? You're so embarrassed. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, bye. Peace. Broccoli's looking pretty fire right now, guys, if you ask me. I have a container for the broccoli, the egg whites, sweet potatoes, and then if I'm on the go, I can prep all three into one meal. So I'll do an example of that. Usually I stay home when I eat my meals, but for y'all's sake, I know a lot of people are always on the go, so I'll make an example with a meal prep to go. In this little container with a little top. No, so cute. So cute. So cute like bento. You cute. You cute. Yeah, you cute. Now that I'm done with the broccoli, I'm going to take the egg whites and, well, first spray. This is how ratchet I am. I use the same pan for everything. Okay, let's take the egg whites and just pour. This kind of looks really gross, but it's very delicious. So seasonings I use for my egg whites is crushed red pepper. Your girl likes her peppers. Sweet potatoes are looking pretty fine right now, so we'll turn that down a little bit. Let's chop. So I grab a fork, and if it, yep, they're good. I can just turn those off right now, and then I'll drain them, and then I'll season those as well. So I'll just make these scrambled, because your girl likes to scramble. Okay. I'm gonna drain the sweet potatoes. Found it. This takes skill. Biceps! Ah, activated! Oh, that wasn't that bad. Okay, for the sweet potatoes, I'm going to add garlic powder, garlic pepper, pink Himalayan salt. Ah! Oh God. Cannot take myself anywhere. Mix that together. Sweet potatoes are done. Egg whites are probably burning right now, so I'll turn that off. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. I do like them crispy. So now I'm gonna add the egg whites to my container before I burn the house down. Now for the sweet potatoes. Wow, I impress myself every single day. Okay, so I have this sweet potatoes, broccoli in this container, egg whites, sweet potatoes, and I made a little meal, so if I'm on the go, I can just bring that. So, wow. Okay, get your life together, Jenny. There you go. So that is good to go. We got the sweet potatoes. Bye, sweet potatoes. It looks so yummy. Probably eat that in one serving. Egg whites. And the broccoli. Wow. So this just sits in my fridge. These sauces that I use, let's bring them. So I use buffalo sauce. I need more of it. It's almost gone. Oh. I use sriracha, spicy brown mustard, and I don't know why I'm obsessed with yellow mustard. It is just so good. Especially on just like sliced tomatoes. That's my favorite snack. I don't use all of them at once. I use something different every time. Usually I do buffalo with yellow mustard, and then sriracha when I'm feeling crazy. I'll add spicy brown mustard on top. It's just like the cherry on top of my meals, you know? Meal prep. That's my meal prep. It's really easy. If you have any suggestions, let's put the camera down first. Where should I put the camera down? This is a good angle. I'm wearing my boyfriend's shirt, like always. I don't dress like a girl. Sometimes I do. It's very difficult though. Too much effort, too much effort. I'm gonna try my best to make a lot of meal preps. Let me know if you have any video ideas that I should do. If it comes, okay. Okay, Jenny, you just stop saying what is, I don't know what's going on. Hope you like this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. More videos to come. And yeah. Fit by Jennifer signing out. Not just yet though. Bye. That's it for my video. Hope you liked it. What do I say? Hope you don't think I'm that weird. But hope you like this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I'll be making more videos for you guys. Hope you like it. Hopefully I'm not that annoying, but I probably am.